Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get started investing in cryptocurrency as a complete beginner. This is not going to be financial advice, I'm just going to show you how you can get started and how you can hopefully make some money, but I'm not going to be giving you any stock tips. You can find that out yourselves and I'll explain a bit more about that later. But let's get started because it is a pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. So to get started, you're going to want to choose your trading platform. Now, you can't really buy cryptocurrencies off normal investment platforms. You can off some, but you're going to really want a crypto platform. The two main ones and the two best ones in my opinion are Coinbase, which is this one here, and Binance, which is this one here. The thing about crypto is lots of it works better or at least just as good from the apps, so I would suggest you download the apps and invest from there, as well as getting the desktop version just to make it easier for you. But the reason I would suggest getting Binance is it's all free to sign up with. It's pretty simple to use. Coinbase is probably slightly easier to use, but it doesn't have as many coins, whereas Binance has a lot more coins you can invest in, which means you're going to be able to invest in the cool stuff that you want to. But all you have to do is create an account, fill in your details. You might have to do some ID verification and set up your payments, but then you're basically good to go. The great thing about Binance is that you can deposit money straight from your bank account in a bank transfer and it doesn't incur any fees, whereas just buying crypto outright usually incurs more fees. So that's a great thing about Binance. You want to make your account and then do a bank transfer to transfer a certain amount of money into the Binance account, and then you're ready to start trading. For those of you who want to be slightly more advanced, I would also suggest getting a secondary platform, something like KuCoin, or however you say this, just because stuff like Binance and Coinbase don't have every single coin. And a secondary platform like KuCoin has other coins that you may want to invest in. So for example, I use Binance for my sort of main investment, my main portfolio, and then I also use KuCoin to invest in some other coins, some of the kind of meme coins that people have been investing in recently. You can get those on KuCoin. Okay, so you've got your crypto platforms sorted, you've downloaded KuCoin, you've downloaded Binance, you've set them up, and you've transferred the money you want to invest, for example £1,000 or $1,000 or $10,000, whatever you're going to invest, and you've put it into your Binance account. What you're then going to want to do is convert that into something that's easier to buy with, for example USDT. This is basically the same as the US dollar, but you can buy a lot more coins with USDT. So, and it also doesn't go up and down like a crypto. It's like attached to the dollar, which makes it easier. So, for example, I would transfer £1,000 if I had it, and it would come up with sort of 1,500 USDT, and then you'd convert, and you'd then have 1,500 USDT, for example. This is important, number one, because it's just going to allow you to more easily invest in coins, and number two, it kind of gets you started on the crypto journey without any risk, because USDT, like I say, it's stable. It doesn't go up and down like other cryptos do. Okay, so now you've got your USDT or your Binance BNB or whatever you've converted it to. You can now start to invest in actual cryptocurrency, finally. So this is easier to do on the app again, but I'm just going to do it on the desktop for the video purposes. You want to go into markets and you want to select the coin you want to invest in. I'm not going to give actual investment advice, but in general you want to wait till the coin's gone down a bit, buy low, sell high, that old adage. So for example, Bitcoin is going down at the moment, so I may want to buy that in case it goes back up, even though a lot of people are suggesting it might go down even more. So I'm not actually going to buy it at this, but I'm just going to use it as an example. So Bitcoin right now is at $49,000, which is, yeah, so there we go. So what you want to do is you want to spend the money that you've just put into USDT. For example, I had 1,500 USDT, or let's say 1,000 for the sake of this video. And then it's going to show you how much Bitcoin you can get with that. Then you simply press buy and you are good to go. Now, to actually see your investments, you want to go into wallet, you want to go to spot, and then you can go down, and I'm hiding all the prices and everything, but you'll be able to see everything you have invested in and the price of it, and then you'll be able to track that. You can look in order history to see the exact price you bought it for. I always write it down anyway, just to keep a track of things, and then you'll know that when it's gone up a certain amount, maybe you'll want to sell it. And selling it's just as easy. You just go onto markets again, go onto the coin, and then instead of pressing buy, you press sell, and you can sell it into whatever. You could sell it back into USDT, and then transfer your USDT into pounds or whatever. And if you ever actually want to withdraw the crypto that you've been investing in back into, make money with it, put it back into your bank account, then obviously you can't put crypto in your bank account, so you need to sell the crypto, get it back into your currency such as pounds or dollars, and then you can withdraw that back into your bank account. They do charge some fees for buying and selling, but it's not too much on Binance, so that's again why I suggest using this platform. And that is basically it, but there is one more thing I want to talk about, which is the meme coins. So you might have heard of stuff like Doge and all these other coins, Shiba Inu. Now a lot of these you can actually buy on Binance, but some of them, especially the really new ones, you can't, and it's a bit more complicated to get these, but I'm just going to go through it quickly. So what you want to do is download Trust Wallet, which is kind of connected to Binance. You want to download Trust Wallet, and then you can really easily transfer some of your Binance coins into Trust Wallet. You simply press on the wallet, you press receive, and then you have this little code which you have to copy. And then on Binance, you go back onto the Binance app, you press send, you insert the code, which is like the code to your Trust Wallet, how much you want to transfer, and then it will quickly transfer it into Trust Wallet, and sometimes shows up after a few minutes, but it will go there. And once you've got your coins in Trust Wallet, you can start investing these into slightly more complicated and rarer coins. So what you want to do is press browser. You might have to enable browser if it doesn't show up on your app at the start. You just go into settings and you can enable it. But then you go into browser and you go into something called PancakeSwap. And PancakeSwap is somewhere where you can buy the real meme coins that have only just been released and are a bit dodgy. And I would never suggest anyone buying them, but obviously you can make a lot of money from these if you get lucky, so that is something to think about. But yeah, just go into the browser, go into PancakeSwap, and then you can swap some of the coins that you've sent. For example, you sent over a certain amount of Binance coin from, or USDT even. You sent USDT from your Binance wallet to your Trust Wallet, and you can then use that USDT to buy some of the random meme coins using the PancakeSwap. And once you've bought them, they'll then show up in your wallet. If they don't show up, you have to go into kind of settings and select the coin that you want, and then it will show up here. Now, often these coins have a specific code. You can't just search for them on PancakeSwap, so you'll have to actually find out what their sort of specific token ID code thing is. It's usually pretty easy to find online, and that's the thing that you paste into PancakeSwap. So this is what the PancakeSwap looks like, and just to show you an example, you found the token ID thing, address for the meme coin you want to buy online. For example, this is for the Chad coin. You can then go there and it will trade Chad, or to be honest, I should do it the other way around. So you've got USDT that you've put into your Trust Wallet. You then go into the Chad and you're like, okay, so I want to buy 500 USDT worth of Chad, and that gets you what, 5.9 trillion Chad or whatever it is. So there you go. that is basically that. It all seems kind of complicated at the start, but you should get used to it. The three main things to remember are number one, having your main investment platform such as Binance. Number two, maybe having a secondary investment platform to get some of the coins you can't get on Binance, such as Qcoin. And then number three, if you want to invest in the real meme, Dogecoins, all of that kind of stuff that might not be on Binance, then you have to get Trust Wallet, send money from Binance to Trust Wallet, and then go on Trust Wallet and go on PancakeSwap, which is in Trust Wallet, and that's how you can buy some of the rarer coins. And again, once you've bought them on PancakeSwap, they'll be in your Trust Wallet and you can store them there. And that's basically it, guys. Three kind of key things you want to look for when starting to invest in crypto. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll leave some links in the description. And I'll hopefully do some more videos about a noob's guide to investing pretty soon. So thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.